Senator Adams Oshiomole then.
Senator Ume, now supported by my distinguished comrade.
But let me remind you, sir, that for now, we are taking contribution from those in support of the bill. Thereafter, we now go those against the bill. So I don't.
Yes, sir.
Are you
I'm
for?
supporting.
Are you for? If you are not for,
I am for.
okay.
You know, you have taught us, sir, that once we are in the Senate, it is one house. There is no PDP, there is no APGA, there is no APC, just the Senate. And the first two speakers are from PDP. And they don't have the numbers to get the motion through. So they need to have a handshake across the aisle. I believe that this is, for me, the kind of institutions we should be encouraging, not even universities of technology. Because, Mr. President, sir, it will shock you when you interact with major contractors like, I won't mention their name freely here, first-class civil engineering contractors. You will find that they need electricians. They will put sign at their site, they can't find. They need plumbers, you can't find. Just those basic skills. If I'm not going to take your time, but it's worth reminding, sir, that I traveled with President Jonathan to somewhere in Southern Africa. I believe it's this small country. But my embarrassment was that the Nigerian ambassador there was pleading with the country's president that they want to train, they should admit Nigerians to learn bricklaying, plumbing, those basic stuff. And I felt so belittled because the president there reminded us that he was a product of Nigeria Police College, Ikeja. And now we are asking him to provide Nigerians opportunity to be taught about plumbing, bricklaying, POP, etc., etc. Sir, to deal with the crisis of unemployment in Nigeria will be solved by the kind of bill that he has proposed. Because we face today not just the fact of so many people not being employed. The real shame, Mr. President, is that a lot of these young people are not employable. And that compounds the problem. With skills such as the one that will be taught in the institutions that Senator Ume proposes should be located somewhere in Anambra, which is not too far, to several other cities that are used to jobs like this. I think this Senate will be doing Nigerians, not Anambra people, a word of good by shifting emphasis to skill acquisition. And as he lists them out, bricklaying, iron bending, those basic things that the Minister of Labor used to do when I was in Kaduna.
Your Excellency, you have one second remaining.
So I support, it has been seconded already. I support that this bill should go through second reading. It is timely, it is consistent with our determination to have youths that are not just product of universities, that have no skills except they get a job in the public sector. This one will drive the economy at local level at various parts of the country. So, Mr. President, sir, I rise to support that this bill should go through second reading. Thank you, sir.
Implementation of Orange Science report. And you've been somehow a lone voice in this Senate that always go against the establishment of institutions, new institutions. So that's why I was thinking that we were going to go against the bill. But it's an exception. So you are lucky that I didn't go against your bill. Thank you. So, Minority Leader.